overpasses, they will not protect you from a tornado. The National Weather Service for Roblox has issued a tornado warning for southern and northern Roblox County until 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Doppler Radar has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, capable of producing a powerful tornado. If outdoors, get indoors, or get to a nearest ditch. If in a car, find shelter. Do not hide under overpasses.